Hi folks, my name is Sergey Lemberg. I am a lawyer in Stamford, Connecticut. My firm has represented hundreds and hundreds of consumers injured in car accidents. And so I decided to make this video for you. If you are injured in a car accident in Connecticut, here are the few things that you need to know now before taking the next step. Now, you may be in a hospital, you may be at home, or you may be a loved one watching this video for somebody who just got into a car wreck and doesn't know their rights. Here's what you got to know. First thing you have to remember about hiring a personal injury attorney, particularly in Connecticut, but also in other places, is that you need somebody to represent you and get you what's rightfully yours. You didn't do anything to cause this accident. You didn't run over the other person. You didn't hit their car. You didn't damage their property. You didn't break their limbs. They broke yours. And what did you do to cause that? Nothing. And for that, the law provides you can get the compensation you deserve. And you need somebody on your side in Connecticut who is going to fight for your rights and make you whole. Now, you'll never be made whole. Our legal system doesn't allow us to give you back your arm, your leg, your broken fingers. It doesn't. It can't. But it can give you money. And that's an important right you have. Now, you may also be wondering, who is going to pay for all these medical bills? Who is going to compensate me for the thousands and thousands of dollars that it's costing to be in a hospital, to be going to doctors, to surgeons? Well, a lawyer can give you advice about the laws in Connecticut that govern who pays for your medical care while you are treating for the injuries that you suffered as a result of the accident that you were in. That's another important reason to hire a lawyer in Connecticut to help you. Now, more. Dealing with insurance companies. Guess what? Have you ever walked around in Hartford looking at these big buildings that insurance companies have? And have you ever wondered why these big buildings are bigger than your house? Well, I can tell you why. These guys are not in the business of paying claims. They are in the business of accepting premiums and putting those premiums into their pockets, which is why it takes a skillful lawyer, an aggressive lawyer, a knowledgeable lawyer to get you the compensation you deserve to be paid by the insurance carrier on the other side. They don't want to pay. They're not in their business. If they paid every time somebody asked them for money, they wouldn't have the big buildings. They wouldn't be the huge corporations that they are. So that's the other thing you need to know. Now, you may also be wondering how to deal with the person that struck your car, how to deal with the police that came to the scene, how to deal with the legal implications of what just happened to you as a result of the accident. Those are even more important reasons to hire an attorney in Connecticut that will represent you in a personal injury case. Now, the final good thing is that it doesn't cost you anything. Most lawyers, including my firm, we take our cases pure contingency. You come in, you sign an agreement. If we recover money, we take a cut. If we recover nothing, it costs you nothing. So legal representation is free for you in effect because the money is at the end taken out of a settlement. You can get quality legal representation and all your questions answered, and we can help you solve the legal aspects of the accident that you were just in. We can't help you with the pain. We can't help you with the suffering. We're not doctors. We can't help you with the psychological impact. What we can do for you is recover money from the people who caused this harm to you for the harm, so that you have not only compensation but also money to pay for the ongoing medical care and for the suffering that you sustained. Now, you get into a car accident in Connecticut, you have lots of options. Call us today. Call me today. When you call, I will pick up the phone, I will return your call as soon as I can, and I will help you get what's rightfully yours.